Welcome to our YouTube video where we'll guide you through the process of allowing everyone to tag you in TikTok. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to enable tags from all TikTok users. Let's get started. Step 1. To begin, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Locate the TikTok icon and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once you're in the app, find the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. It looks like a little person. Tap on it to access your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner of your profile page, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on these lines to open the TikTok menu. Step 4. Within the menu, you'll find various options. Look for the Settings and Privacy option and tap on it. This will take you to the Settings and Privacy section of your TikTok account. Step 5. Now, within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Privacy to access your privacy settings. Step 6. Scroll down until you find the Interactions section. Tap on it to view interaction settings. Step 7. Within the interaction settings, tap on Mentions and Tags to manage mentions and tags on your TikTok account. Step 8. Now, within the Mentions and Tag settings, tap on Tags to configure who can tag you in TikTok. Step 9. In the tag settings, you'll see different options. Select Everyone to allow all TikTok users to tag you in their content. Congratulations! You've successfully allowed everyone to tag you in TikTok.